How to breathe. Often encounter this question of how should we breathe? Few say belly or diaphragmatic breathing. Some say breathe through nostrils and exhale through the mouth, Wim Hof style. Left ones say breathe through the chest. But I keep on experimenting with my stuff and I find out that whenever my breathing goes out of whack, I need to shake in waves and my breathing gets restored subconsciously. I find shaking in form of waves a more comfortable and relaxable one. Those waves go down from the top of the head to the base down the spine, shaking my complete body and releasing all the traumas, fear, and anxiety from a day-to-day stressors that can be poor muscular patterns caused due to overthinking, poor sitting habits, traffic anxiety, etc. How will you get yourself shaking in waves? Simply lie down, your knees should be in a V shape, at a certain angle apart, and start shaking slowly and gently. You can have rhythmic music in the background, or if you love the silent background, that would be okay. Now after some time, you will observe your body will itself start shaking in form of waves like a fish in pond swims and enjoy every second of its life underwater. Shaking will go in the form of a pattern. Your head will shake, your neck and ribs will release the fear they are holding, hands will become wings, the pelvic region will start loosening, legs and feet will let go of all the fears by trembling. And you will observe your body will start feeling the things that it is naturally meant to feel. Emotions they are. So have you watched any musicians while singing, or guitarist, or any band or live concert? Their complete body itself aligns to the rhythm of music from head to foot. They are expressing emotions and flowing in waves. As we are inclining towards the modern lifestyle with our multitasking approach to complete the early timelines, we are compromising our senses. They play a huge role in making us human beings, else we are a living bot. It is the senses which send information to the brain to help us understand and perceive the world around us. We are becoming neurologically weak. That's why many stretching and strengthening exercises fail to work. That's why shaking the complete body comes into the picture. It activates all the senses and makes us feel alive. I have noticed sometimes shaking and vibrations get so intense that I need to stop so that I might not injure any body part. Also, avoid doing these kinds of exercises on full moon day, as there are chances of injury. Gravitational pull is very much higher on that day. Each and every cell needs oxygen, and shaking in waves automatically takes care of breathing and supplying blood to every part of the body, as breathing gets restored subconsciously. Now I am in love with this approach.